First, confirm that the car system has built-in wired CarPlay. Black label end is for the car original wired CarPlay port. White cable end is for car's power outlet. Type-C is for connecting products. USB-C adapters. Power supply adapter. Choose the suitable adapters to supply power according to your TV stick. If not, the connection will fail. CarlinKit adapts to different models of TV sticks. Select the suitable cable according to the interconnection port of the car. Remember, 1. White label is for power outlet. 2. Black label is for car original wired CarPlay port. Distinguish between original wired CarPlay port and power outlet port to avoid connection failure. If your car looks like this and only has Type-C ports, you need to use adapters before connecting it. After the car reads the product, it automatically enters the product interface and the light changes from red to blue. If you have any questions, please contact customer service at customer service email, FireDrive link at CarlinKit.com.